For those of you who don't know, Time Out is a worldwide magazine that's dedicated to telling you about the best entertainment, restaurants, and activities in major cities such as New York, London, and Lisbon. They've expanded their magazine into food halls across the world. And in this video, we're going to compare and contrast Time Out New York, which is really in Brooklyn, with Time Out Union Square, which is in Manhattan. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. And at Passport and Soul, we help BIPOC travelers travel soulfully and with ease. Now back to the video. Of the two Time Out markets, the one in Brooklyn is older and more established. As a matter of fact, the Union Square market just opened in September of 2025. The Brooklyn location is actually located within walking distance of the Brooklyn Bridge and Brooklyn Bridge Park. It's spread out over 2 floors and has fantastic views of the bridge and Manhattan because the top floor is a rooftop. The Union Square location is located right in the heart of Union Square, and both locations have indoor and outdoor seating. Because the Brooklyn location of Time Out Market is older, it has a larger variety of eateries, which is great, but the downside is that it's crowded, so that it can be hard to find someplace to sit. The other negative is that it is super dark. That might be my eyes getting older, but not really. It could use a lot more light. One really cool thing about the Time Out New York market is that they have activities to draw people in. For instance, we saw signs for karaoke and learning how to dance the salsa. And there are quite a few food choices, from donuts to burgers to seafood, and of course, the New York hard hitters, pastrami sandwiches, bagels, and pizza. And they have everything else in between. Take a look at this video of the Time Out New York market, which is actually located in Brooklyn. But be forewarned, this video makes the market look a lot brighter than it is in reality. Now, the Union Square location has less than half of the eateries that the Brooklyn location has. Their eateries range from Jamaican patties to tacos to Thai to burgers and a few other places. When we went, it felt kind of dead. There were people there, but this location absolutely did not have the same amount of energy that was in the Brooklyn location. Now take a look at this video of the Union Square market. Both Time Out markets have outdoor eating space. They take advantage of New York City's famed rooftops for this. The one in Union Square has a nondescript but pretty patio vibe with string lights, and as you can see in the picture, they're in full pumpkin patch mode. While the rooftop in Brooklyn has more of a rooftop bar party vibe, starting from the time you step into the elevator, which talks about New York being the best damn city in the world, until you arrive on the 5th floor. They take full advantage of the view of Manhattan and the Brooklyn Bridge to provide photo ops. Check out the view from the Brooklyn location's rooftop. It's spectacular. You can see both the Brooklyn Bridge and the new World Trade Center at the same time. As an aside, after we finished at Time Out New York, I went to take that iconic Instagram selfie with the Manhattan Bridge in the background. While unbeknownst to me at the time, Craig took pictures of me taking my picture. All in all, I have to say, out of the two Time Out markets, we preferred the Time Out New York location, which is actually located in Brooklyn. It had more of that New York energy, more food choices, and you have the ability to eat by the water in the shadow of the Brooklyn Bridge and its killer views of Manhattan. Now, of course, I'm curious, if you've been to Time Out New York and Time Out Union Square, which one did you enjoy the most? Let us know in the comments section. And that's it, the Battle of the Time Out Markets New York edition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the Passport and Soul channel, and forward this video on to someone else. Until next time.